Yeah, ayun no, kaka-start lang.
Incurable disease.
I'm gonna be starting with this, honestly.
You want the power to control life and death?
Thank you. Nanakaw ko yun. Thank you, boss. Uy. Uy, patay ka, boss. Ay, sayang, oh. Patay. Ang sarap ni Bian, bossing. Sayang, di umabot.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Nga gawa nyo.
Slain an enemy.
What the fuck?
Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Balliste have spawned.
Roy! Ano na kaya? Kamusta kaya?
Life is not
Yun oh, yung Marco Polo sa baba oh. Wait lang guys. Kalimutan ko, nagre-record ako eh. Nag-enjoy ako masyado naman. Nako, patay ba yun? Lusang, lusang, lusang.
Killing spree.
Kawawa bossing. Putang ina, kawawa naman kayo mga bossing ko.
Killing spree. Ultimate not ready yet. Your team has destroyed a turret. Rampage. Wow. Double kill.
Matinulak.
Triple kill.
Patayan.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Skill not ready. An ally has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Ano ba to? Mga bot ba to? Hindi ko alam kung bot
Your
na.
team has destroyed a turret.
Ah!
Legendary. Ace.
Ay, joke lang. Mamamatay ako dito.
Down.
Mali.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Lusaw.
Appreciate it. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Gogo, lusaw na lusaw mga boss.
You paid.
No! Asa na yung mga sinong kalaban namin dito? Mga Hapon ba? Pilipinas #1 bossing.
Victory.
You know, triple S pa tayo. Puki ng ina nyo. Congrats bossing.
whoever lives the longest wins.